You're welcome back. Now, 7 suspects alleged to have been involved in the vandalization of the NDC Northern Regional Party office have been granted bail by the Tamale Circuit Court, presided over by His Honour Alexander Oworea. Now, the 7 suspects are expected to present 2 sureties at a bail sum of 10,000 cedis each after the ex-parte motion was filed by the former Tamale Central constituency organizer of the NDC, Habib Veron, after the police failed to bring them to court after 24 hours in custody. Now, the suspects, who have been charged with conspiracy to commit crime, rioting with weapons and causing unlawful damage, have denied all charges preferred against them when they voluntarily presented themselves to the police. Now, the suspects were believed to be part of an NDC youth group who attacked the party office and vandalized furniture, as well as took away laptops belonging to the party in disagreement with the appointment of Ali Adolf as acting regional chairman of the NDC on Tuesday, 23rd, 2022. Noah Nash is our Northern Regional correspondent and joins me via Zoom for more. Noah, can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Very well then. What more can you tell us with regard to this particular case?
What I can tell is that it has a very interesting turn, because today, when the judge actually ruled for the ex-parte motion to be upheld and then they were granted bail, what happened was that one would have expected that they would have processed, the processes would have been a bit faster for them to have been gotten their document to sign for them to get the bail. The 2 sureties were hanging around, they were all walking around waiting for those things to be done. So the people also moved to the court, the police premises, demanding for the release of their colleagues, thinking that it's the police that are deliberately holding them, forgetting that they had to go back to the court to sign those documents. And that alone took them almost 4 hours. They just signed the bail document about around 6:35 p.m. And after, the registrar could not be found anywhere. And later, when he was called by the police, that where is he? Then he told the police that he has actually designated some 4 men to actually assist them to sign those bail documents. And actually, that was also not done. The 4 men have also run out of the courtroom. So they had to go and look for the registrar back at home to get him to come and then support the process. So they just signed the bill and then they've left. And it was a jubilant mood, because the young men were quite excited about the fact that they wanted their colleagues to be released. And the solidarity within the NDC, respect to what I saw this evening, was very massive, because they were in their numbers demanding that this evening they want those men to be released. And I like the posture of the police. The police actually had tried educating them a lot to actually know that the police were not holding their colleagues because they feel that they need to hold them. It's because the court had not given them the permission to do so. And that alone is the reason why the tension had then subsided, and then they then had to march to the court to also insist that the registrar will have to present himself for that particular opportunity.
Right. Thank you very much, Noah Nash, for that update there with regard to 7 suspects granted bail with 2 sureties and 10,000 Ghana cedis given, slapped on these persons. And Noah Nash is bringing us update from the Northern region. And for more, you can log on to starfm.com.gh for some updates.